Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be looking at this boom and crash scalping strategy. And of course, with this strategy I'm going to show you guys how you can make use of the strategy and the settings for the strategy. So we offer an exclusive strategy which you can contact us to get it, and if you get the exclusive strategy you're also going to be able to join our premium WhatsApp group. Okay, so the link is going to be in the description down below for our contact on WhatsApp, so you can contact us straight to get the exclusive strategy. So with that being said, let's proceed with the strategy. So the first thing we are going to do is to talk about the settings for the strategy, and to add it up you have to click on this F icon right here. Sorry, this icon right here. So you click on this icon. So when you click on it, it's going to show you guys the first indicator, which is going to be the RSI. And to add this up, you click on this F icon right here. You search for RSI, and this is the parameters. Now the period is one, the applied close, and for the levels we need the 15 and the 85 levels. So go back and then make sure you set your style as your background color, then click on save. So that is the first settings we need. Now moving on to the second setting, which is the MACD. So as we add the MACD up, we click on this F icon right here. We search for MACD, and this is the parameters. Now the fast EMA is 12, the slow EMA is 25, the MACD SMA is 8, apply to close. And for the style, make sure your main should be as your background color, and for the signal, use any color of your choice. Click on this top right here to click on save. So that is the second indicator. Now moving on to the last one, which is the relative vigor index. Okay, relative vigor index. Okay, so this is the parameters for it. So the period is 10, level is none, time frame is short time frame, and for the style we only need the RV1 style, and for the signal line we also need it as well. So use any color of your choice and click on save. So that is the settings you need for the strategy. Now moving on to the how the strategy now works. So this is going to be straightforward and very simple. Now if you want to trade with this strategy, let's say you want to catch your candles. Okay, so what you want to do is to wait for the relative vigor index to come straight to the 15 levels of your RSI, and after that you also want to see the MACD come straight to the 15 levels as well. So this everything happens right here. So after that we are looking for the crossover to happen between the MACD and the relative vigor index. Now everything happens right here. So after the cross above it, and keep it in mind that we also want to see the relative vigor index to cross each other as well as, and the moving and the MACD also cross above the relative vigor index. So if you have everything happens outside the 15 levels, which is right here. So we want to see everything happens outside the 15 levels on crash index. So after you confirm this and everything happens, if it happens inside the relative strength index, like this one right here, like this, so you don't take the trade. We always want to see it happen outside the relative strength index before we now consider on taking any trade. So that is how we trade with this strategy on crash. I hope you guys understand this. Let me explain it again. What you want to see is the relative vigor index to come straight to the 15 levels of the RSI, and we also want to see the MACD come straight to the 15 levels. So once these conditions have been met, we are now looking for the crossover to happen outside. You can see it right here, outside the RSI. So once we confirm this and we see the crossover, we are now going to be taking our buy trades, which means that we are scalping. Now let me go to Boom to show you guys a trade here on Boom, which is the recent trade here on Boom. So for the zoom level, when you zoom out completely, you are zooming in twice. Okay, so that is the zoom level we use for this strategy. Now here, looking at this recent price move right here. So how do we take this trade right here? We wait for the relative vigor index to come straight to the 85 levels. After comes straight to the 85 levels, we want to see that the MACD also comes straight to the 85 levels. After we confirm this, we are now waiting for the crossover to happen between the MACD and the relative vigor index. Once the crossover happens, then which happens right here, then we are now going to be taking our trades for a sell. You catch your 10 to 20 candles and you close your positions. Okay, so that is how we take trades on this strategy, and that's how the strategy works. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. But if you don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification anytime I put new strategy, you guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.